What's up? Guess what? I'm back at SLAPFISH, baby. Ow! Ow! Today I'm gonna try something new off the menu. It's gonna be a short video, but I'm gonna display it all for your pleasure. Let's go. Ow. Okay guys, that was super delicious. I almost said the wrong word there, but you know, I held back, baby. I'm just a little excited. Ooh, ooh. Hey, so my brother gets the grinder, the lobster grinder. So if you notice, it's the same roll as the lobster roll, except it is lobster, shrimp, and fish, all stuffed in there. Looked freaking delish. And what did I get? I've been trying to crave me some UK fish and chips from the motherland. Hello, may I have some fish and chips, mate? Anyway, that freaking fish was amazing. I said, what kind of fish is this? And he said, hockey. I said, what? Hockey. I said, what? Hockey. And I said, spell hockey. And he said, H-O-K-I. I didn't even know that fish existed. But I said, by chance, is that the same fish? Hokey pokey canopy copy that I had on the ultimate fish taco earlier? And he said, exactly. And I said, I'm in like Flynn. Hokey me, baby. Hokey me. And did you see how beautifully fried that was? Now, of course, I'm keto IF, and today I blew it. I had some freaking Venezuelan cachitos in the morning. Then I had 2 slices of pepperoni New York pizza, like my Italian friends say. And then I had to eat right for the evening. So although my hokey pinoki was fried, I told the guy, keep the French fries to yourself. Give me some of that amazing naturale like my French friends say, coleslaw that you guys serve here. Because if you go to KFC, you love it because it's covered in sweetness, which somebody told me is full of sugar, and I can't do that. But this one here is not that sweet, and when you taste it, it's delicious. It's got some carrot pieces and some purple onions, and it's not that sweet, and it's just wonderful. So it's more naturale. So thumbs up to the freaking fish and chips. Now you can get it with one piece and the fries or a veggies, or you can get a 2-piece. And it's Friday, baby, so I went with the trois. I believe my French friends say una, trois. What is 3 in French? Ménage à trois? Whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching this. I have it in my mind to come to this freaking place the next couple of months and try every item that is listed there. I have never done that before in any of my food escapades. I believe my French friends would spell that as ESKAPPEED. Well, you know, that sort of slipped out because I really had to go. I had 2 or 3 cups of Diet Coke, and I really should have gone to the pee room before I came, and look, it slipped out when I was, whatever. Anyway, never done that before. So I think I'm gonna do it here. Every freaking entree I'm going to try because this place is that good. So keep watching me. The videos won't be that long. They're not gonna be 10 minutes because I just want to post and go. All right, you guys have a good weekend. Extreme Life Reviewer gives SLAPFISH for the fish and chips and for the grinder lobster sandwich a thumbs up. I'm out.